It's time for our Sounds of the Strip.
Product number 6, Bob.
Six. Okay.
They're 6 right now. The other ones are 4 rails.
Yes.
With bigger pipe.
Right.
Yeah.
Calm down, Alex. Come out. Good job. That's good.
And Beckman takes the win, 425 with a 9 at 292 miles an hour. His third trip to Topeka, Beckman is on the roll.
Well, Jeff Arind had the advantage off the starting line by about 300ths of a second. Gave him a race for a little bit, but then Jack Beckman just had that horsepower on the other end. You take a look at our Lucas Oil photo finish cam by about a car length. Jack Beckman gets the win.